Welcome to the lab. Before we get started, go ahead and like, subscribe, and share lab content on your socials. We're diving into the world of level 1 blockchains. Let's break it down in a way that's easy to understand. Think of a level 1 blockchain like the foundation of a building. It's the base layer where everything starts. Just like a strong foundation is essential for a solid building, Level 1 blockchains are crucial for the entire blockchain ecosystem. A Level 1 blockchain handles the core functions of a blockchain network. It processes transactions, ensures security, and maintains a shared ledger that everyone can trust. Bitcoin and Solana are two well-known examples of Level 1 blockchains. Let's take Bitcoin. It's a Level 1 blockchain where people can send and receive digital money. Each transaction is recorded in a block, and these blocks are linked together in a chain, making it secure and transparent. Level 1 blockchains work with a network of computers called nodes. These nodes work together to verify and record transactions, making sure everything is accurate and trustworthy. This helps prevent fraud and ensures that everyone has the same record of transactions. Now, let's talk about the benefits. Speed and cost are two big advantages of Level 1 blockchains. Sending money across the globe with traditional banks can take days and often comes with high fees. But with Level 1 blockchains, transactions can be completed in minutes, no matter where you are. Using Bitcoin or Solana, you can send payments instantly to anyone, anywhere in the world. The cost of these transactions is usually much lower compared to traditional banking fees. This is because Level 1 blockchains cut out the middlemen and streamline the process. Traditional banks often charge fees for international transfers and currency conversions. In contrast, Level 1 blockchains generally have lower transaction fees because they don't involve multiple banks or payment processors. Because Level 1 blockchains are the foundation, they also support other technologies and applications. They're like the base layer that helps build new features and improvements on top. To sum it up, Level 1 blockchains are essential for processing transactions quickly and affordably. They provide a secure, decentralized way to send payments anywhere in the world, saving time and money. Thanks for watching, and we hope this helps you understand the backbone of blockchain technology.